Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use Lasso and crop an image on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the gallery app. Next, go down and select an image that you would like to select. Next, tap on the edit button to open up the photo editor. Next, tap on the Lasso button at the bottom. In the Lasso button, there are two options that you can use. You can manually select around an image or an object to select the part that you want to crop. Otherwise, you can use the snap to shape object. I would personally like to use the snap to shape object because it is a lot easier. Now, if you do have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can also use an S Pen. Now, in this video, I will just leave it for now, and I'll show you how easy it is to select around object even without an S Pen. So here I'm going to choose snap to shape, and you can quickly draw around the object that you want to select. It doesn't need to be perfect because the app will automatically try to snap the selection around the object. Now you can see here it left some bits out, so what you can do is you can zoom in by pinching out like that, and you can move the object with 2 fingers, and in here you can continue to draw around the object, and you can see slowly it will snap around that object right there. So in here I can move around here, and that will automatically snap into place. I can zoom in to make it more perfect. Okay, now I can zoom back out, and I need to select this part down here. So what I can do is zoom in and then go all the way down, and just a little bit right here as well. I can zoom right in and then have it snap around there, then zoom back out. Alright, so you can zoom right in and then go around the object that you want to crop. Make sure it's select everything nice and smooth. So you can see here a little bit of indent, so I'm going to make it nice and smooth. And if you want to deselect any part of the object, you can deselect them. So here I can deselect this part right here. Alright, and then I'm going to snap to object around here, and around the orange, and around here, and around here as well. And there you go, and another one right here, so I can deselect this part right here. Alright, and I'm going to snap it around my finger and around an orange. So that didn't work well, so we can try again. Deselect and then snap to object, and then here. So that doesn't work well. If it doesn't work very well, then you would need to manually select. So what I do is I'll deselect this part and try it again. One more, and then one more on the side. Hopefully it select. And so I'm just going to draw there. Nope. So when I draw around it, it will simply just deselect the whole lot. So what you can do, you can also do it manually. So we can manually select around the object. So I'm going to deselect that part there, and then manually select around the object like so. Alright, so we can just simply deselect. If it's too hard, you can also use an S Pen to deselect some part right here, and then use the snap to shapes object to do that. Okay, so that is quite difficult using the snap to shape because of the error right here. So I'm just going to slowly draw around this object right here and deselect that part. Alright, now if we zoom back out, you can then tap on the done button, and then tap on the save, and then tap on save as copy, and that's it. So that is how you can use the Lasso tool and select and crop an image in photo editor on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.